I'm Dr. David Samson. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Toronto, Mississauga, and I'm an evolutionary anthropologist by trade. I think of myself more broadly as an evolutionary biologist that's just really interested in humans in particular. As a graduate student, I was at Indiana University, and I worked at a wild chimpanzee site in the Toro Simliki Wildlife Reserve in Uganda. And what I was really interested in was this material culture that is completely unique to great apes. So only great apes build sleeping platforms, basically these arboreal tree beds. And it was kind of mysterious as to why apes do this, and even large brain monkeys and large bodied monkeys don't. And so I was really curious about the material component of how they built these beds, in what context they built these beds. So I went out to Africa. I clog ascended about 75 different trees that had chimp nests built in them. And then I measured them in an ecologically relevant context just to uncover that. But then that got me really deep diving in the literature about sleep and evolution. And it was just this big paucity of material. There wasn't a lot out there. And so I was interested in more of the under the hood, like ultimate reasons as to why humans or primates sleep as they do. And that got me to work with Dr. Rob Shoemaker at the Indianapolis Zoo. And we were the first ever to quantify orangutan sleep architecture using infrared videography. So we did that at the Indianapolis Zoo, and we discovered the sleep architecture, which is the REM and non-REM distribution of orangutans in a captive setting. And so that got me really focused and turned on to this question of, okay, what's sleep's role in cognition, but also in our evolutionary history as humans?